Yo, what's going on, party people? Hope this video is coming in clear. Just playing with the lighting a little bit. Wanted to show y'all something real quick. One of the ways that you can lay out your documents, and it's up to you. I mean, it's totally up to you. But for me, I like to go with speed. And I found out that when I line the documents to the bottom, I'm able to go through them a little bit quicker versus having them stacked. So you can see everything is lined up to the top. This is at the bottom. And this here honestly is a supplement to the video that my man Victor Chambers put out. A really good video that he put out concerning the printing. Very, very good. And that's with folks like him, it makes it a little bit easier for me because he did a real good video on the printing, and I couldn't do it any better, honestly. However, there's a trick that I learned about printing some documents when they get really messed up, and I got to do a video on that. But this is sort of like, it was like what he's talking about, flipping the documents when you print so they line up at the top. That's great, and this is great. Both of them work well, but it all depends on how you like to flow when you flipping through your documents. So in the beginning, when I first started off, make sure everything was lined at the top, and then I'm going through, I'm flipping. Then I got to go down here, flip. Then I go back up here, flip. And this is when you're checking things of that nature, flipping, and all of that. And then and for me, it was just I'm constantly going down, then I'm going back up, I'm coming down, going back up. I really didn't like that, especially when I needed to get out of there. So, and then plus majority of your signatures are at the bottom, say mid to bottom of the page. So what it made it easier for me was when I lined everything up at the bottom and realizing the customer don't care whether they're lined at the top or bottom, they just want to sign. And for the most part, the title company, them, they don't. The only time this comes a little bit of issue is when you go to do your scan backs, okay? Because everything's lined at the bottom, and then you really would prefer everything lined at the top. So for me, having it like this, I'm able to flip, go through. So even when I'm at legal pages now, I'm still able to go. I'm at letter, I'm still able to go. I got my signatures, okay? Because all my signatures, the most part, is gonna be down at the bottom, except for when you get to the addendum of the loan application, which you got one at the bottom and the top. And I'm able to do this here, and I'm actually able to hold more docs. Now, let's just say I'm trying to get them prepped for a scan back. I take that first set there. As I'm going through these letters, I go ahead on and line it at the top. Got my legal, got that letter. And again, it's up to you how you want to roll. Boom, I got this here letter, signatures at the bottom. Signatures here, okay, this is the top and bottom. All right, signatures at the bottom, all of that. So since all of these here are letter, all I would do is just take those, line them at the top, and my pile over here that y'all can't see, sorry. So, real quick, it's up to you how you want to flow. For me, I like to go with the speed. I'm actually able to go, that's why with the gloves or the fingertips, I write with my right hand, and I can flip with my left. I actually have a hard time flipping with my right hand, even though I'm right-handed, but I can actually go, and like that. I got my letter, I go through that. I can hit it up here at the top for my scan backs. So, up to you, however you want to do it. Check out his video on the printing. Excellent video, it's right on point. There's nothing that can really be added to what he put out there on the basics of how to print. It's good. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Peace.